Slowly, slowly. Steady now.
Just a little more.
We got it.
All right, here it is. Let's get this thing inside. Backing it up slowly, just a little further.
All right, time to tackle this beast. Better be careful with those old wires.
Yeah, they're brittle.
Oh, there it goes. Snap. All right, time to rip this out.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh God, that's a lot of dust. All right, here we go. Careful. Just a little more. And down.
Ready?
Got it.
Let's move it. Careful. Set it down here.
Okay.
All right, let's get this beast secured. Looks good. Check the second hook.
Oh.
Come on, you old bastard. It won't bud. Completely seized. Ugh, there we go. Man, look at that. That's real bad.
Tight. That's two.
Just two more.
Perfect. Done.
Okay, a little to the left. Perfect. Slowly now.
And you said I have.
Wow, look at that. Pure perfection. All right, final assembly, fit the grill, connect the wiring, and test the headlights. Let's see them work perfectly.
Keep it steady. Looks good. Push it in now. Sealed.
All right, hold it steady. Got it, easy, perfect. Grab the ratchet, engaging, almost there.